KK Modi and brother to Lalit Modi. He is responsible for making the cosmetic brand Calabar the third largest in the country. In this freewheeling conversation with CNBC TV 18, Sameer outlines his plans for taking on global giants like Mac and Bobbi Brown. Here's that story.
Right now we have 52 of our own stores. We have 8 stores on top of that in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. And we have 1,050 shopping shops across India, including Shoppers Stop Lifestyle.
In 2010, Sameer Modi decided to give his cosmetic brand Calabar an image makeover. So he shut down almost 70% of the shop-in-shop format outlets operating in stores belonging to Big Bazaar, Reliance and other retail chains. The makeover mantra was simple. Calabar should be seen as a high-end brand, so it should be present wherever global brands like Mac and Bobbi Brown are.
The goal is that to have in 3 to 5 years, 250 stores, we can get enough stores. So we want to follow wherever there's a Mac or a Bobbi Brown or a Chanel. We want to be in the same location. We don't want to be in a location where they're not.
This means a broader international presence as well, and work towards this goal are already underway. Calabar already has approval to retail in Thailand and more are around the corner.
I will go to Asia, the Middle East, then get into the erstwhile USSR, then move to England, then move to the US. So the US will be around 3 to 5 years.
But high-end does not mean expensive. That's something Modi is very particular about.
You can walk into the other brand stores and see the same product and come back to my store and pick it up at half to 1/4 the price. The formulation is the same, the product is the same. One says X and one says Calabar. That's the only difference in it. So our very clear funda is you pick up what the multinational brands buy. Not a Revlon, not a Maybelline, not a L'Oreal. You pick up what a Mac buys, what a Bobbi Brown buys, what a Chanel buys, or a Giorgio Armani, Tom Ford. So whatever they buy, you buy.
Modi believes this strategy is working.
I'm proud to say that I'm the number 3 brand in the country. So with a limited distribution, Lakme I think has over 40,000, 50,000 doors. Maybelline has over 30,000 doors. Revlon has the same amount of doors. And I'm in 1,000 doors. So I've taken over, beaten Revlon. And I'm hopeful in the next couple of years, few years, I'm going to beat the rest.
Expansion so far has been through internal accruals, and there are no immediate plans to change that. However, to increase accessibility, Modi is jumping onto the latest buzzword in the retail space. So look out for a website that not only sells Calabar products, but also provides beauty and makeup tutorials. Bureau Report, CNBC TV 18.